Encarnacion, the ball carrier. Driven out of bounds by Falk. Scotty Weller on the carry. Touchdown, Ridgeview Park. 21-yard touchdown run for Scotty Weller.
Fire.
Out to the 33-yard line where the Maroons.
Come on!
Hoyle on the carry. Brought down by Castelli and Mike Capote. Met by Mullen and Mike Capote. Hoyle, the ball carrier, stopped by Capote. Gain of Jack by Matt Reed for Josh Lewis. Based on off the punt for the Maroon Raiders. Quintanilla back deep for the Scarlets. Ball bounces out of bounds at the Ridgeview Park 46-yard line. That's where the Scarlets will start with a 1st and 10. Ronald McLean, the ball carrier. Fumble on the play. complete to Hoyle. Knocked out of bounds by George Fernandez. Keenan on the carry. Garcia's pass intended for Kushney, incomplete. Garcia's pass intended for Keenan, incomplete. Brings up the 4th down for the Maroon Raiders. Punting. Quintanilla and Encarnacion deep to the Scarlets. Encarnacion fields the punt, brought down immediately by Thompson. There is...
Okay, guys, just get ready for jump.
Garcia on the keeper. Knocked out of bounds by Reap and Wayla. Tackled by Mike Gilson. Gain of 3. Ware on the carry. He's brought down by Mullen and Quintanilla. Garcia's pass is complete. Looks to be a gain of 5 on the play, which is going to give the Maroon Raiders a... Ball carried by Keenan. Brought down by Claros and Castelli. Keenan on the carry.
Covered. Timeout. Timeout. Dive.
Ball carried by Keenan. Tackled by Capote and Quintanilla.
Sneak.
Garcia on the keeper. Brought down by Russell and Castelli.
Dive. Nice job, Castelli.
Ball carried by Keenan. Stopped by Castelli in the middle of the Richfield Park defense. by Dwight Morrow is Kenneth Keenan. Quarterback Dubon's pass incomplete. Oh, this is number 17, Mark Sinclair. Ball carried by Alex Quintanilla. Brought down by number 60, Raphael Joseph. Gain of 12 on the play, good enough for... Ball carried by Joe Grotto. Tripped up by Ware. Gain of 9 on the carry. Grotto on the carry. Brought down by Hoyle.
Is this on?
Quintanilla on the carry. Tackled by Falk. Flag on the play. Hold. Sinclair's pass intended for Grotto is incomplete. Well, carried by Quintanilla. Dragged down by Fultz. No gain on the play.
Will's ready, Will's ready.
Sinclair's pass intended for Encarnacion is incomplete. Deep for the Maroon Raiders. James Morton on to punt for the Scarlets.